and bounds made by players in the game. Moreover, we feel especially privileged that we are playing host to the national competition. I suppose, I'm not mistaken, the first attended by our highly esteemed Secretary of Education, Dr. Mona D. Valisno. To the 10,000 strong Palarong Pambansa delegates, we say, welcome to Central Luzon. And if I may be allowed to brag a bit, welcome to the #1 region in its cluster in the Elementary National Achievement Test. Welcome to the back-to-back champion region in the elementary and secondary levels of the recently concluded National Schools Press Conference. Well, Region 3 may not be #1 in the national sports arena, although the possibility that it may emerge as such in this 53rd edition of Palarong Pambansa is not far-fetched because we did prepare and train hard in our home base. Yes, Region 3 may or may not emerge #1 in Palaro, but we put our fingers crossed that we shall be #1 in hosting this sports activity. At your service, we shall gladly be attending to your needs for the 17 regions of the country with equally 17 host divisions of this region. We hope not to go remiss with our hospitality. Each regional delegation can be sure that its assigned host division will extend its assistance to make your stay in Tarlac City and Tarlac Province most comfortable, enjoyable, and memorable. As you know, the 78-hectare recreational park is the main venue for a number of events, but other events like archery, arnis, badminton, taekwondo, chess, gymnastics, boxing, and sepak takraw shall be played in other venues in the city and in Victoria, Tarlac Province. Our shuttle services will be at your beck and call. Why is Tarlac the best playing field for the 53rd edition of Palarong Pambansa? Tarlac Province, billed as the melting pot of Region 3, is a perfect arena to bring together the regional delegations to a common goal, to mold our sportsmanly character as we challenge each other's stamina, speed, and strength, to cement camaraderie as we compete, to unite us as we fight in the athletic field, and to foster unity among diversity. Tarlac Province is a home to great leaders and heroes. The martyr felled by a bullet at Tarmac was from Tarlac. The first woman president, his wife, was from Tarlac. This province is a perfect ground to bring forth sports heroes and set new records, to lead us into oneness of aspiration and direction, to get nearer to the goal of excellence in sports. Our hopes are high that with your full participation and collaboration, the sports field of Tarlac Recreational Park will yield a breed of heroes and leaders in Philippine sports. Unleash the hero in you, even in the athletic battlefield. As you have all been trained hard, you have the prowess to help scale the country's sports to greater heights. Let the best crop of athletes prevail. Let the best men and women win. All in sports is fair, and victory will belong to them who have the will to win. the will to excel, the will to bring glory to God and country. Let the stars of 2010 Palarong Pambansa be the future luminaries in international events. Muli po sa inyong lahat, maaliwalas na gabi. Welcome, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Dr. Villanueva. And now, to give us a message is the chairman of the board of Smart Communications Philippines and Philippine Long Distance Telephone Company, Honorable Manuel V. Pangilinan. His message will be read to us by the head of public affairs of Smart and PLDT, Mr. Ramon Isberto.
On behalf of Mr. Pangilinan, the chairman of Smart and PLDT, I'd like to read his presentation, his remarks. Honorable Governor of Tarlac and the host of this year's Palarong Pambansa, Governor Victor Yap, Education Secretary Mona Balisno, Trade and Industry Secretary Jesly Lapus, Education Undersecretaries, Governors of participating provinces, mga estudyanteng manlalaro, mga kaibigan po natin sa media, mga magulang, mga opisyal, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isang malaking karangalan itong pagkakataon na magsalita sa harap ng mahigit 10,000 mga manlalaro, coaches, team managers, officials, and organizers ng Palarong Pambansa 2010. Isang mainit na pagbati sa inyong lahat. Marahil ay mayroong nagtatanong sa inyo kung bakit masigasig ang Smart at PLDT sa pagtulong sa Philippine sports. Alam po ninyo, matibay ang aking paniniwala na darating din ang araw na makakamit natin ng Pilipinas ang gintong medalya sa Olympics. Ito po ang dahilan. Ito po ang aming layunin kung bakit tumutulong po kami sa Philippine sports. Bahagi ng aming programa sa Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas at sa Amateur Boxing Association of the Philippines ang humanap ng mga magagaling na batang atleta at suportahan sila upang makasali sila balang araw sa ating mga national teams. Yan po ang dahilan kung bakit narito po ang Smart at PLDT na sumusuporta sa Palarong Pambansa. At kung kayo po ay mapalad at magwagi sa sports competition, ito ay isa ring mabisang paraan para maiangat ang inyong kalagayan sa buhay, pati na rin po ng inyong pamilya. Bilang pagtatapos, nais kong bigyang diin na isang mahalagang aral mula sa mabuting edukasyon, ang pag-unawa sa sarili sa ating karakter. Ang matututunan po natin ang aral na ito sa pamamagitan ng paglahok sa sports. Sa mga atletang narito ngayon, manalo man o matalo, magtagumpay man kayo o mabigo, panalo pa rin kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang Palarong Pambansa. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Maraming salamat, Ginoong Isberto. Speaking in behalf of Mr. Manuel V. Pangilinan, Chairman of PLDT and Smart. Siya pong one and only MVP. Ngayon naman po, we will have a special message delivered by the former Department of Education Secretary, the new Secretary of the Department of Trade and Industry. He is a favorite son of Tarlac, and he will be introduced to us by the Undersecretary for Regional Operations of the Department of Education, Undersecretary Ramon Bacani.